We generate too much waste and we extract too much resources. It's inefficient and dangerous for us and for the planet. But the good news is that there are many simple ways to reduce waste and to turn it into resources.
I will explain you how, by trying to avoid waste on board, we created a strange ecosystem. But first, let's meet Terumi, who runs a zero-waste restaurant in Japan. We have been in Kamikatsu, a Japanese village that counts more than 45 sorting bins. They recycle almost all their waste, creating new jobs and solidarity in the village. At Low-Tech Lab, we travel the world to find the best low-tech. Inventions that are useful, sustainable and accessible to all. C'est quoi un café zéro waste?
例えばなんですけど、私たちはゼロウェイスト認証制度っていう制度があって、でその中で、6つの項目があるんですけれど、例えばその一つに、ローカルフードっていうので、できる限り地域の食材を使うということ、そして、リターナブルっていうところで、仕入れの時にマイバッグを持って行ったり、コンテナを持って行ってゴミを出さないように努めること。であとは、BYO Bring Your Own ということで、お客様にできる限り自分でバッグを持ってきてもらったりとか、コーヒーの瓶を持ってきてもらって量り売りをするということ。
En fait, le zéro waste, c'est presque une philosophie de vie. Est-ce que pour vous, ça a changé quelque chose dans votre vie personnelle?
なので、例えばゴミを洗って乾かして出すっていうことが、それができれば資源になるけれども、そもそもゴミを買わなければ洗って乾かす必要がないよねとか、なんかそういうふうにゼロウェイストっていうのはただ単にゴミをなくすっていうことだけを教えてくれたんじゃなくて、いかに自分のこれから生きていく人生の中で必要なものは何かとか、時間をどういうふうに使えばいいかで、もちろんウェイストっていうのはゴミだけじゃなくて、労力とか何かを作り出すためにかける無駄なことをなくすっていう意味があるので、自分が生きていく上で何が本当に重要なのかっていうことを気づかせてくれるような考え方なんじゃないかなっていうふうには今やってて思います。
On the boat, like in the village of Kamikatsu, we try to be zero waste. We even try to go further. We try to be low-tech. I will show you how it changed our way of life.
We could also compare the boat to a small town. It needs good waste management. Nothing has to be thrown away. Everything has to be changed into resources for other systems or other living beings. Every year, each human throws away tons of polluted water, manures, food waste, plastic, wood, paper, electronic waste, and so many other things.
Urine is precious. It's not a waste, it's a great fertilizer. One part goes to the bacteria of the biofilter. They turn it into food for the plants. It's full of vitamins.
The other part goes to the spirulina. It's a microalgae full of proteins. Using only my urine, I could harvest more than 500 grams of food every day, full of vitamins, proteins and minerals. As we want them to be healthy, it motivates us to eat healthy. We use cardboard, paper and wood waste for the fire. We can boil water for coffee. And the coffee ground can be used to grow mushrooms. Mushrooms are amazing. They turn wood, coffee ground or many other organic matter into food full of minerals. On a boat, used water goes to the ocean. So we make eco-friendly soap and toothpaste.
And we do the same to clean the dishes.
Plastic waste, we avoid them by bringing our containers and bags.
Nothing should be lost. This one is lacto-fermented. You can keep it for weeks and it's very good for digestion.
We also dehydrate some with the solar dryer. And we make soda with pills.
And if nobody wants it, the larvae will like it. They even eat our dry toilets.
Black soldier fly larvae are machines.
They eat really fast and make a very good compost. When the larvae are big, we dehydrate them, grind them and give this powder to the cricket farm. It's full of lipid and proteins.
To avoid electronic waste and all the things that doesn't last, you have to repair and maintain. It takes time and you have to learn a lot of things.
It pushes you to reduce the quantity of things you own and get attached to them.
On the boat, we are not zero waste, we are full resources. We are millions, not only humans but also bacteria, plants, mushrooms, larvae and crickets. We are all collaborating, like an ecosystem. When you push forward low-tech philosophy, it brings you to eat healthier. Becoming minimalist, learn tons of know-hows, understand and consider many living things. It brings you to a totally different way of life. We love that, and we dream that one day we won't live anymore in houses that produce waste, but ecosystems that produce resources.
Our goal at the Low-Tech Lab is to find low-tech innovation, document and promote them, so that anyone can replicate them.
It's open source and collaborative, so feel free to comment.